Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to a Korean BBQ chicken experience that's truly unique and unlike anything else. Korean-style charcoal grilled, marinated chicken. Now, when most people think of Korean chicken, they imagine fried chicken. But today we're diving into something even more special. It's all about the rich flavors, the smoky aroma, and a unique blend of spices that will have your taste buds dancing. So, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about what makes this Korean-style charcoal grilled chicken so special. Unlike the usual fried chicken, this dish is cooked over an open charcoal fire, which infuses the meat with a deep, smoky flavor that's impossible to replicate with any other cooking method. The chicken is grilled directly over the flames, giving it a crispy, slightly charred exterior while keeping the inside juicy and tender. The real magic happens with the marinade, which is where Korean cooking truly shines. The marinade is made from a blend of ingredients that are common in Korean cuisine, like soy sauce, garlic, gochujang, Korean red chili paste, and a bit of sweetness from sugar or honey. This balance of sweet, salty, and spicy flavors coats the chicken perfectly. As the chicken grills, the sauce caramelizes slightly, adding an irresistible layer of flavor to the already smoky meat. In addition to the traditional soy-based marinade, there's often a spicy version. It's not overwhelmingly hot, but it has a perfect kick that builds as you eat. Thanks to the gochujang Korean chili flakes, the combination of these ingredients creates a flavor profile that's both complex and comforting, just the right amount of spice, sweetness, and depth. Tasting experience. Now, let's talk about the experience of eating this Korean BBQ chicken. When the chicken arrives at your table, you're instantly hit with the rich, smoky aroma from the charcoal grilling. The crispy, caramelized skin is the first thing that stands out. Take a bite, and you'll notice how the crispy outside contrasts perfectly with the juicy, flavorful meat inside. The smokiness from the grill enhances the natural flavors of the chicken, while the marinade adds a delicious sweet and savory layer. One of the best parts about this dish is how the flavors deepen with each bite. The more you eat, the more you appreciate the subtle heat from the chili paste, the umami from the soy sauce, and the rich garlic undertones. It's a flavor journey that's truly unforgettable. What makes it even more special? In Korea, grilled chicken isn't just about the meat, it's also about the side dishes and the full dining experience. When you order this dish, it often comes with various sides that perfectly complement the flavors of the chicken. One standout is the savory egg roll, mari, which is soft and slightly sweet, offering a nice contrast to the smokiness of the chicken. Another side that always accompanies the meal is shredded cabbage drizzled with a tangy kiwi dressing. The fresh cabbage helps to cleanse your palate between bites, while the fruity dressing adds a unique thing to the overall meal. In Korea, it's common to serve cabbage with chicken dishes because it's believed to balance out the heat and richness of the meat. It's a tradition that's been passed down for generations and continues to be a key part of the experience. And then there's the pickled radish. Koreans love to pair their grilled chicken with these small, crunchy cubes of sweet and tangy radish. While this might be familiar to Koreans, it's often a delightful surprise for foreign visitors. The cool, crisp texture and mild acidity of the radish are perfect for cutting through the richness of the chicken, making it a refreshing break from the bold flavors of the meat. How to eat it? Another interesting thing to note is how you'd eat this dish. In Korea, there's a bit of an art to it. While many people use chopsticks to eat, it's also perfectly acceptable and even encouraged to eat this type of chicken with your hands. This helps you really feel the texture of the crispy skin and control how much sauce you get with each bite. You can also dip the chicken in a bit of extra soy sauce or chili paste, depending on your flavor preferences. If you're feeling adventurous, try making wraps. Take a piece of lettuce or perilla leaf, add a slice of chicken, some cabbage, and maybe a bit of pickled radish or garlic, and wrap it all up for a delicious bite. It's a great way to mix textures and flavors all at once. Why, it's a must-try. So, why should you give this Korean charcoal grilled chicken a try? Well, first of all, it's an experience you won't easily find anywhere else. The combination of smoky, grilled chicken with the perfect balance of sweet, savory, and spicy flavors is a true representation of Korean cuisine. It's bold, it's flavorful, and it's satisfying in a way that's hard to describe until you try it for yourself. Plus, the way the chicken is cooked over real charcoal adds a depth of flavor that you just can't get with other cooking methods. The whole experience of sitting down, smelling the chicken as it grills, and enjoying it with fresh side dishes, and maybe a cold drink is something special. So, the next time you're in Korea, or if you're lucky enough to find a place that serves this style of chicken, make sure to give it a try. Korean style charcoal grilled marinated chicken is a dish that truly showcases the incredible flavors and culinary traditions of Korea. Whether you're a fan of sweet, spicy, or smoky flavors, this dish has something for everyone. I hope you enjoyed learning about this unique dish today. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious video. Let me know in the comments, would you try the sweet or spicy version first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.